Hi folks, it's a 2-minute short. Remember, nothing is normal through these years. Now, a lot of people were asking me questions. You have to watch what you're saying on YouTube or any social media. Yes, they can arrest you up to 10 years if you say the wrong thing or phrase. So be mindful of that. Okay? Remember about Biden's plan. This is a lot worse than Trump's plan. Biden's plan is to help the communists take over America in 2021, enslave America. More riots, more BLM, eliminate Antifa. If you're an Antifa member, I think get rid of all your stuff and go into hiding. Because if you didn't study history, a lot of people forget the Night of the Long Knives, and a lot of people forgot what happened after the French Revolution when Napoleon took in power. He got rid of the revolutionaries of that period, and he became dictator of France. Phase two, he's going to destroy the economy. He already did with the oil industry and gas industry and power industry. That's why you're getting those weird blackouts. And also, food supply. Seriously, you should watch my starvation series. I'm giving a leg up before it gets really bad. Starve America. Feed China. China has to feed 3 billion people. They have to do it quick because 7 territories, 7 big regions of China is threatening the CCP. If they don't get food and they don't get it quick, they're going to start throwing nukes at them, their own people. They might have a civil war before us. 3, no federal backing of all states. You're on your own. So get rid of, in California, get rid of Newsom. Recall all your politicians and governors that don't make sense. Throw them out of office. This is not the time to screw around. And I'm going over 2 minutes. And remember, it's the evil trio: politician, deviants or perverts, and terrorists. And I do mean it. Just check any news. And I'll catch you later.